Welcome to the American Dream TV. I'm your host, Denise Galloway, and we're here today at the amazing restaurant, The Perfect Caper in Punta Gorda, Florida, featuring celebrity chef Jeanie Roland. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and have a culinary experience here today on our show. Let's go in and meet Jeanie. So Jeanie, you've been here since 2002, which is a long time, and you've weathered many hurricanes. So recently in 2024, we had Hurricane Helene and Milton. How did that affect The Perfect Caper?
So that impacted us. We were closed for roughly 6 weeks. When Helene struck, we had the foresight to pull anything that wasn't damaged out, actually giving us the ability to open right back up after Milton. We felt it was really essential for a restaurant like The Perfect Caper to reopen immediately and show the strength of the community and give people hope to go on, because you want your favorite restaurant there. You want to know your favorite dishes there. And the connection with food and security and normalcy is one thing that The Perfect Caper really wanted to provide for everyone. And I felt it was super important to get the restaurant open, to give the community a sanctuary to go to.
So you've written 2 cookbooks.
My first cookbook I wrote around 2018. I always kind of dreamed of writing one. So that was my very dreamlike cookbook. My second cookbook I wrote during the pandemic, and I wanted something that the home cook could take from their pantry, create a multitude of things. If you're out of something, learn to improvise, relax, and enjoy the art of cooking.
So tell me, what are we going to be making today in the kitchen?
Well, we're going to be making our famous crabby scallop. So what we have here are beautiful U10 dry scallops, a little bit of baby bok choy, cilantro, coconut, our lovely black rice. We have some jumbo lump crab meat, yuzu tobiko, and chili mayo. So here's the beautiful crabby scallop dinner. Denise helped prepare. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's been amazing being here today. Hi, we're here today in beautiful Punta Gorda, Florida, and we're going to meet with Ron Oskey, the owner and home builder of Harbor Homes. Hi, Ron. It's so good to be here with you today. How have you been?
Terrific. Thank you, Denise, for coming today.
I know you've been in Charlotte County for quite some time now. How long have you been building homes here?
I've been in Charlotte County for 25 years and was working with my father for a little bit and started this home company around 13 years ago.
Wow, very nice. If somebody wanted to build this particular home on their lot from start to finish, how long does it take approximately?
Currently, we are building homes in around 18 months, but we generally tell them a little longer because we want to make sure that they are planning to have a roof over their head in case of any storms or anything come up that may delay the process.
Welcome to the Grand Cayman model, a stunning masterpiece of design and functionality, offering over 2,500 square feet of luxurious living space. The great room boasts large 11-foot sliders, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor living. This gorgeous home features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and an expansive 3-car garage. The primary suite is a sanctuary with a freestanding tub and an enlarged walk-in shower, the Grand Cayman model where luxury and lifestyle come together. Ron, thank you so much for letting me tour this exquisite home today. We're headed back to The Perfect Caper to get some dinner, but it's been a great pleasure being here with you.
Thank you very much.
So this is the warm goat cheese that we were talking about earlier, Denise. Well, I wanted to give you a couple of books right now so you can take them home and enjoy yourself and actually recreate some of these great dishes that we made today. How does that sound? And I'm going to go one step further and autograph these for you. How does that sound?
It's amazing. Thank you. What an amazing day today, meeting with Ron Oskey at Harbor Homes and viewing his beautiful model. and then meeting with Jeanie Roland at the Perfect Caper. What an amazing accomplishment for her to beat Bobby Flay. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. I'm your host, Denise Galloway, on the American Dream TV.